Story time. This story time goes directly hand in hand with the man child article that we were talking about the last few days. Anyways, I saw this post on one of my Facebook friends' page. She says, my next door neighbors, who I can't stand, are married, and the wife is sick and can't cook or do anything. So the husband calls my mom because his wife told him that he could ask my mom for food. And me and my mom are cracking up how unwise this man is. His wife is sick and he doesn't know how to cook anything. He doesn't even know how to fry an egg. And my mom starts talking that my daddy was the same way. He didn't know how to do anything either. This is why me and so many other Gen X women and younger women aren't into traditional marriage anymore. Too many of the older generation men are lost without their wives, and we aren't trying to be in a situation like that. I'm crossing my fingers that these younger generations get a clue and that gender roles are BS, and y'all better learn how to adult. Like I said a little while ago, the women are saying they want a man that knows how to do basic stuff in the house. Women can get sick. You have to be able to, pull your weight if and support her if something goes wrong, or even just to relieve some stress or whatever. Every adult needs to be able to live on their own. And this is just going to show that this is across race, this is across culture, this is across country, that women are saying the same things. Is crazy.